Okay, let's see who we have out here today. They're all a little early. Here you go, Zoe. And, oh, I think that's Bellatrix. I haven't seen Bellatrix in a while. Are you Bellatrix? Oh yeah, that's Bellatrix. Do you remember how to catch? Oh my goodness, she's just such a star. And here you go, Java. And then, oh, I dropped one. Oh my goodness, it's like Hungry Hippos, but with raccoons. There you go, Zozo. And, oh, sweetie, you didn't get one. Come on. Oh, gosh. I can tell you're nursing. When are you going to bring me some of those babies? And there's another for Bellatrix. Another for Sweetie. There you go, Zozo. Can you get up here? Oh, so close. Had to reload. Okay, this is the last round. Here you go, Zoe.